You mentioned Python, that is one of the programming languages, right? If you want to start now image analysis processing, would you recommend for people to start with Python and keep with it, or go to C+ or Java?
No, if you want to really do it a bit sort of wire programming, Python is definitely the way to go, right? So this is a programming language that all these deep learning libraries use, but also a lot of other things that do like general image processing, right? Like just applying filters or things like this are all available through Python and its libraries. And it's much easier to use compared to C++ and Java, right? I mean, because it's, if you have some IT background and want to build like a big application, then things like Java and C++ are better because they're faster and they also enforce more structure on your code. But if you just want to like solve these scientific tasks like image analysis, then Python is really a very good solution for this.
What do you think about Matlab? Because this is...
I mean, I'm an open source person, right? I'm
used
like
a lot.
but yeah, of course, right? People should use also what they know and what they have to. But if you're just starting new, right? And if you have the freedom, don't use Matlab, right? It's commercial. It's worse in most aspects than the open source solutions now. So really, I mean, one way to go is Python. If you don't like that, right, there's things like R or Julia, which are similar but have different strengths that are also very good options. But use something that is open source and actually freely available. Yeah.
Unfortunately,
you're stuck to Matlab.
I was taught by my boss Matlab, but I will learn. I'm learning also Python.
I mean,
so
like
it's not that different.
It's not that different, and it always depends, of course, on the context. Right? If you have to work with code that's in Matlab, and sure, this is a good thing to do. But if you have the choice, right, then I would say go rather for Python, or if you want to be cutting edge for Julia.
And now you have ChatGPT, which can actually switch and write you the code from Matlab to Julia or Python.
Neuroscience and beyond. Know more. Get inspired.